What's up, guys? Don't forget to like and subscribe. So we're playing. Wait. We're playing egg toss. I played this game before. Okay, let's skip game. Yeah, yo, yeah, yo, yeah, yo, yeah, yo. Oh, yeah, yo. I wish that big wait, survivor, the survivor. So hold, let me drink my milk first. Good. Where did you go? Let's wait. Let's go to Brian. The best done. Okay, I don't know how blue team. I hit the color blue. At least I hit the color blue. I like red more. You. Zoom out, guys, zoom out. 1v1, 1v1. I mean 2v2. It looks like that I'm. It looks like I'm. It looks like I'm. Wait, how did that girl come there? How did that girl come there? Not pretty face. How did that girl come? Don't leave again. Yeah, I'm number 2. I have to be number 1. Bro, no, 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 no. Nah, I'm not voting. Okay. Get out, get out, get out, no, I hate this. Oh, wow. Wow. Why? Why? Just why? 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 I hate this. No, you're getting eaten. Why did you come here? No, this is my house, bro. This is Squid Game. Okay, wait. No, let's play Squid Game. Squid Game. Let's play Squid Game. So yeah, I don't like to play them. I wish there's a Squid Game for YouTubers. No, I'm not lying. Squid Game for YouTubers, yeah, I like that. I wanted that. Like you're just playing and you saw you're a YouTuber and you saw me. But that can happen. I'm gonna like that can happen. Bro, what's that? No, 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 no. No, the no, 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 no. Let me take this off, please. Try to take this off, because if you please how to take this off. Say it in the comments. Bro, I'm playing another Squid Game. It's like season 1, season 2. Yeah. Squid. Wait, what's that? The but your friends, let's go. Ooh, Squid Game. Oh look, Thanos. I'm a legend, Thanos. I like you. Yeah, season 2. I like CR7. Yo, I like Ronaldo. Ayo, I'm jumping in. Season 2. Hey, I'm in somebody's head. Go, hey. This is crazy, bro. It's crazy. Not gonna lie. This is crazy. When I came in, there's so many people there. When I came in, I just said, no, no. Earlier, this is not that many, but when I came in, it's many like that. Yo, put me in the. Hey, shoot. Hey, no, this is crazy. Oh. If you're asking if I'm using a computer, no, I'm using a tablet. When I don't have this screen up, you can see that I'm playing with my tablet. Woo-woo! Let's go 20 seconds in teleport. Come on. No, look at my screen. Woo! How did I came out? Let's go, we're teleporting. We're teleporting. Guys, follow me. If you're unavailable in front, come follow me. Cause I'm the GOAT. Please, Frontman. Bro, I'm not playing. Bro, who's the frontman? Player. Oh, it's the frontman. Where's the guards? Guard? Oh, there's the guard. I'll push them. This. Wait, how about if I pretend like Thanos? I died. What? No, where did I die? I said, I think that 25% like that was I start pushing. Yeah. Little. And I didn't like. Come here. Am I in last place? Good, let's go. Good. I'm number one. La 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 lava. Chicken. Chicken. Wait, do you know that song, guys? Nah, I just have one robot. But get out of my head. I have to be in your head. I want to be that. Get out of my head. They said, let me jump to Brian's head. And I said, okay, 30 seconds. Oh, let me go. Let me go to the very bottom. Look at this. At least, let me hit my own hand. I can skip, guys. That's my second movie. Let's go and I'm in cab. I said, cruising movie. Yes, one. Subscribe to bring me luck so I can be the front man. Subscribe right now. Front man, of course, you subscribe. Or guard. If you just like. Hey, I'm a guard. I'm a guard. I'm a guard. I'm a guard. Let's go. I just start shooting everyone. I shoot you. Can I go? Bro, I'm not gonna play. I'm a guard. Wait, who's the... Oh, these are bows. Oh, I'm scared. Wait. I'll just stay in the... Ayun. Don't die na talaga. Yeah. Doon mag-guard ay... As you are killing them. This is scary. Let's go, I killed them. Why did it? Invisible. Go, go. I said go. If I said go, go. I shoot you. No. I shoot the other guard. Good. I'm so happy with the go. I'll push you. And I'll shoot you to be dead. To be dead. Next game. Follow my directions. to be the guard. They level. Okay, and chill. Let's group yourself to 6. Group yourself to 6. There's a timer. If you die, you're out. And guard is here. Relax around now. Go, shut the. Somebody in the other one. I'll be the other one. I'll be here. What is this thing? Hey, yo, the Flatman. Flatman been killed. For a minute. Wait, did I play this? I can hate this game. But that's true, I play this game most time. I play this. Oh, I just see. Are you shooting my boss? I'm shooting. I'll shoot you. Oh, I accidentally shot. Bro. And wait, let me headset them. Let me headset them. Let me headset them. So they're saying, I want to kill them already. But let me get ready. Because they never see me. So, jump. I want to kill. Hold the Flatman. Hold the Flatman. I want to be a player. Before success. Hey, wait, how did they die? How did they die? How did they die? What? How did they die? Look, they died. How? How did they die? Bro, it's my player. Please. No. Them. Stop helping them. Stop helping them. Yeah, stop helping them. I think I'm just lots of money. No, don't run. No, don't. And I'm ready to kill. Die, let's go in the house. Good, die, and the girl, and the beauty, and the random one. Wait, oh, this is the fight. Wait, I cannot die, look. I can't die. Look, I cannot die. Do you want me? I'll not die, look. Good. If you run guard, you'll not die. Not gonna lie, you don't. Oh, this is a little bit. I'm number 1. Boom, this is a guard. I don't care. I want to be. Because I'm a guard. And I have to make sure they don't escape. Right? But this is easy. You just go to the cell. But I'm last. But I'm number 1 in the leaderboard. put the purple as an guard. Why die? I think I don't. I don't. No. Hey. Ooh. Hey, yeah. Wait, what's that? What's this? What's this? I'm about to die? No, no, no. No, the water is going up. I want to fall. I want to fall. Wait, I don't die. I don't die. Oh, guards don't die. Toxic water. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What? I'll still do I'll go all the way down. Boom. Okay, let's just. Wait, is this the last game? This is not a game. If you're a big fan of Squid Game, this is not a game, right? This is not a game. This is not a game. But I'll still do the obby. I mean, this is not obby. This is not an obby. Did you reach the safe zone? No, sir. I fell. I think we have to shoot. We're going down, bro. You die, They're just pushing each other. Hey yo, I'm pushing you right now. Hey yo, they push you. What I do it? Oh, I forgot to. Haha. This. Ooh. Square guard. I guess I'm the square guard. I wish I did. Where's that gun? We're going down. We're going down. And they. Come here! I think he's going here. Gonna be the last. Gonna be the main player. But don't use a gun. I can't do anything. That the gun is useless. I still come hit me. And I'll let you win. Hey. Calling for backup. Calling for backup. The and Squid Game guy. Oh, surround him. No. I hope everyone has a good night. It's a fan. Next game. Wait, why do I have two guns? Why do I have two guns though? What did you do? I'm out. No, you have to touch it. No. I'm not dying today. Oh, you didn't have the potato. Haha. I don't have the potato. Mingle. This is my favorite game. I kind of like. Go to the school or you got me. Is this school girl? Is this school guard gonna stop yapping? Go Mingle. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm really good. Wait, huh? Where am I? Guards. Huh? Where am I? Where's the other guard? Huh? Oh, I see. Bro. Like that. Threat eliminated. I'm by myself. I think I have to do that. Look, I'm by myself. Look at the little guy. What's the one? I can do the blind part. Blind space. Blind space. Blind space. Wait, I'm number 1 in the leaderboard. Wait. Oh yeah. And the let's go to season 1. I want season. Okay, that's all for today's video. That's all for today's video.
Meet Sisi, your free ultra smart AI assistant with